Hello everyone, today we will be continuing with the further questions. I will be explaining the five more questions today. So we are going with the module scope in Node.js. So the 21st questions is, what is module scope in Node.js? So module scope is something like it is private for the particular files. I will explain this with the code. For examples, I have this Superman. So I have used here as a superhero as a variable name, and also then the Batman have used the superhero same as name variable name. So there will be no conflict between this file and this file. So if I call this node index and node index.js, see, even if I use the same variable name, I'm getting the output as two different things. Okay. Okay. What is next? Next is 22nd question. What is module scope? How is module scope private? What make it private? So there is a concept called the IFI. So it is immediately invoke function expressions. This is the reasons why it is happening like this. For example, see in the same file have defined the superhero same variable, but it makes the each block as a private. So even if I run this, see, again we are getting the output properly. So I think everyone got understood about this. So what is function wrapper? The function wrapper is nothing but the ify. Ify function is the function wrapper. How ify is defined? So we are going to define the ify as first we have a parenthesis, inside that we have a functions, and we have a body for that, and outside that we will call that body. So and with the parenthesis and with semicolon. So this is how we define the ify. Okay. So what are the parameters in module wrapper or ify wrapper? So what are the parameters? Internally we have so many parameters where Node.js will take care of that. I will explain you what are those things. So okay. So if I start debugging this part, debug, run debug. You can see here we got so many things here. So it will give the directory name, it will give the file name, and also it give the exports, modules, and requires. So inside the ify, what we are doing is inside the ify. See, whenever I uh, go inside this, we are getting the Batman. So as a file name, and the directory is node directory. This is the file main folder, and this is the file which is going inside this. And inside this we have a module so where uh, all the exact path will get assigned here. So require. So we will cover that in further videos. What required does is if you export something in these files and if you want to accept that in other file, we use the required in a common JS. So we have totally uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters. One is required, module, exports, and directory name and file name. Okay, these are the parameters where the node accepts, or each module scope accepts. Okay, thank you. This is for today. We'll continue further questions in the next video.